Hi everyone, Happy New Year. Okay, we are asked to solve for the values of x. First, let's cross multiply. Okay, if we cross multiply, we're going to have x to the power of 7 plus x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 6 plus, is equal to 3, excuse me, is equal to 3 multiplied by what? X to the power of 6 plus x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 4. We cross multiplied. Okay, all right, now let's factorize. To factorize, let's use the smallest, the one with the smallest power. So if we bring out x to the power of 3 and open our brackets, x to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 3. So when you have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. All right, so x to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 3 is going to give us x to the power of 7 minus 3, which is 4. Okay, plus this divided by this will give us x to the power of 5 minus 3, which is 2, plus this divided by this will give us x to the power of 3 minus 3, which is 0, and x to the power of 0 will give us 1. Okay, is equal to, then let's factorize with the smallest power as well. So this is going to be 3x to the power of 4. Now x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 4 will give us x to the power of 2. This divided by this will give us x, and this divided by itself will give us 1. All right, now let us transfer this to this side of the equation. If we do that, we have x to the power of 3 into x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 plus 1, then minus 3x to the power of 4 brackets x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1. Okay, and this will now be equal to 0. Now we can actually factorize x to the power of 3 from here, because I want to bring out this x to the power of 3 from both of them. So if we do that, we have this x to the power of 3 into x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 plus 1 minus 3x. This supposed can be written as 3x to the power of 3 multiplied by x to the power of 1. Yes, because when you have x to the power of a multiplied by x to the power of b, this is same thing as x to the power of a plus b. Okay, so you see that 3 plus 1 will still give me 4. Okay, all right, now we continue. Open brackets, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we now have x to the power of 3 and x to the power of 3. So let's factorize that out first. So if we factorize that out, we have x to the power of 3, open brackets. When the whole of this is divided by this will remain. That is x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 plus 1 will remain. Now when the whole of this is divided by this will cancel this, and we are left with 3x and the bracket, right? So we have minus 3x, open brackets, x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, and the whole of this is equal to 0. So from here we can say that this is equal to 0, right? Yes, we can say x to the power of 3 is equal to 0, and we can also say that x to the power of 4 plus x squared plus 1 minus 3x brackets x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1, and this is also equal to 0. Let's remove the brackets. All right, then from here, from the left hand side, permit me to draw this line here. We have that x to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Now if we raise each side to the power of 1 over 3, okay, so we have x to the power of 3 raised to the power of 1 over 3 is equal to 0 to the power of 1 over 3. Now when you have a to the power of m raised to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. All right, so that simply means, permit me to clean this. So that simply means that this is same thing as x to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 over 3, and this will cancel this, so we have x is equal to 0 to the power of anything is still 0. So this becomes the first value of our x. Now, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload our videos daily. Yes, so always tune in at your convenience to watch our new uploads. Okay, and please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Thank you very much. Now we have gotten the first value of x. Recall, we are supposed to get up to 7, but because we have 0 here, and we have actually gotten, we are supposed to get 3 here, but we can only get 1. That means we still have extra 4 values of x to get. All right, so let's write on. So we are going to get the remaining values from here. All right, so from here now we can say x to the power of 4. So we have x to the power of 4 plus. Now x squared can be written as 2x squared minus x, right? Yes, 2x squared minus x squared. Sorry, we give us x squared. So let's replace x squared with 2x squared minus x squared. All right, then plus 1. We have not changed anything. Now minus 3x bracket x squared plus x plus 1, okay, is equal to 0. Now I don't think we still need this. My dust, I really need to change this. I used to forget to get new one for myself. All right, now this is where we are. Okay, so if you look at this now, I'm trying to form something from here. Yes, I want you to watch. Now x is same thing as x to the power of 4 is same thing as x squared multiplied by 2, right? Then plus this 2x squared is same thing as 2x squared multiplied by 1, right? So 2 multiplied by x squared multiplied by 1 will still give us this. Then we have minus, okay, let's bring this one in, plus 1, then minus x squared. We have not changed anything. Okay, so minus, let's continue with this, 3x bracket x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is what I'm trying to form from here. Recall that when you have a squared, a plus b all squared, that this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? Now in this particular case here, if our a is x squared and our b is 1, so you can see that this same thing as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, because 1 squared will still give us 1. Therefore, if our a is x squared and our b is 1, that means the whole of this from here, reading this, should be what? X squared plus 1 squared. All right, yes. Then remember, we still have this left, minus x squared. Okay, then minus, we continue with this, 3x bracket x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now when you have a squared minus b squared, now we have difference of two squares. Yes, so and difference of two squares states that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Therefore, we can now rewrite this and this as what? X squared plus 1, okay, into, sorry, this is our a, so x squared plus 1 plus x, okay, into x squared plus 1 minus x. Okay, that is it for the whole of this. Then we continue with this, minus 3x bracket x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Please stay with me, we are actually getting to the end of this video, and this, they are the same, right? So we can factorize this out. So if we bring out x squared, so we have x squared plus 1 plus x. Okay, if we factorize that out, then when the whole of this is divided by this will remain. So we have what? X to the power of 2 plus 1 minus x will remain here, right? Then when the whole of this is divided by this will cancel. We have only minus 3x remaining, minus 3x. Okay, all right, and everything now is equal to 0. So we have this to be equal to 0. So we now have x squared plus x plus 1, okay, is equal to 0. And we also have x squared plus 1. Now minus x minus 3x will give us minus 4x. So we have minus 4x then we have plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have two quadratic equations to solve, and we are going to do that using the quadratic equation formula, which states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now in this case, permit me to clean everything because I don't think we still need to sign. This my daughter is no longer doing justice to this book. Okay, let me turn this signs. Yes, so from here now for this, okay, a, now let's solve this first. X squared plus x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so for this one we have that our a is what? Coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Our b is coefficient of x, which is also 1, and our c is the constant, which is also 1. So we are going to substitute this into this formula, and we are going to have x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 squared minus 4ac, that is 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, right? Everything divided by 2a, 2 multiplied by 1 as well. Now our x will be equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 squared is 1, and 4 times 1 times 1 is 4. Everything divided by 2. Okay, so I'm still going to leave this because we still need this. Now from here we have that x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 3 will give us minus 3. 1 minus 4, sorry, will give us minus 3 divided by 2. So our x is minus 1 plus or minus this same thing as square root of 3 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So we have x is minus 1 plus or minus root 3, square root of minus 1 is I divided by 2. So here we have the second and the third value of our x. All right, now let's go ahead and solve this in order to get the fourth and the fifth value of x. So also for x squared, I don't know if you can still see this. So for x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, for this, recall that of the what we are looking, the formula we are using is this formula, and our a in this case is coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Our b is coefficient of x, which is minus 4, and our c is our constant, which is 1. So if we substitute these values into this, we are going to have that x is equal to minus 4, which is plus 4, right? So we have 4 plus or minus square root of b squared, that is minus 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4ac, that is 4 times 1 times 1, which will still give us 4. I'm trying to skip some steps because this video is taking too long. All right, divided by 2 multiplied by 8, that is 2 times 1, which is still 2. Therefore, our x is 4 plus or minus square root of 12, everything divided by 2. Now, x is 4 plus or minus, now root 12 can be written as root 4 multiplied by root 3. All right, yes, divided by 2. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 root 3 divided by 2. Therefore, we can get x here to be equal to, if we factorize 2 out from here, now 4 divided by 2 will give us 2 plus or minus, permit me to come here since you can't see me again. So 2 plus or minus 10, 2 divided by 2 will give us root 3 remaining. Okay, everything divided by 2. Now these two, we cancel these two, and we are left with the fourth and the fifth value of x to be equal to 2 plus or minus 3. So these are the values of x that we are asked to look for. Have you given us a thumbs up yet? If not, please do that, and see you in our next video. Bye.